Whitewater Chili Kitchen. Today we have another recipe for you using our dip and dressing mix. Very versatile. Today we're going to do roasted potatoes. You're going to start with taking one large potato. We've cut half of it just to expedite things just a little bit, but you're going to dice it into about 1-inch chunks. Not aiming for perfection here. This is anybody's game. And then to make this super easy for cleanup, you can either put all this into a bowl and mix everything together, but today we're just going to toss it all into this nice Ziploc bag. Makes it very simple. Okay, potatoes in the bag. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, you can certainly use whatever type of oil you would like to use, but this is canola oil, avocado, olive, whatever works for you. There's 1 and 2. And then we're also going to use 2 tablespoons of our dip and dressing mix. Just toss it into the bag with the oil and the potatoes. Zip close your bag. Leave a little bit of air in there so that you can move the potatoes around. And then just mix them up. If you happen to have about a 4-year-old child in the house, they will love this job. Okay, you can see the potatoes are nice and coated now. And we're going to pour them on top of our foil-lined baking sheet. We've applied a little bit of oil on there so it doesn't stick. Spread them out, and we're going to roast them in the oven at 425 degrees. You want to keep an eye on them so that they don't get overcooked. Should be about 20 minutes or so. Here we have some finished product. You can see they just get nice and toasted, nicely seasoned with our dip and dressing mix, and that little bit of oil just crisps them up beautifully. You can have these alongside of a little bowl of our dip mix also, mixed up as a dip, and just to dip it in there, it's a great accompaniment to any barbecue or any other holiday meal that you might be putting together. Thanks for joining us today.